Hello everyone, start off by taking the top section of the hair, add a rubber band in the middle section, take two sections from either side of the scalp and then pull it through the middle section you've created. Now on either side, join it in the sides and then make two braids on either side of it. Now take two more sections of the hair from either side, make two more braids out of it and join this in the middle. Next, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Take the top section of this ponytail, twist them and then begin to make a braid out of it as such. Make sure that you twist each of these sections before you include them and make sure that you take very narrow sections as such. Now after all of this, add a rubber band to the bottom of it. Next, start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side, make a braid out of it and loosen either side of it. Now right underneath this, take two more sections of the hair, twist it one on top of the other and now add a rubber band to the bottom of it as such. Loosen the sides of it using your fingers. Continue to do this 2 or 3 more times all throughout the hair. Take a section of the hair from the right side and then begin to make a braid out of it. Include more sections of the hair into it as you progress with it and loosen some sides of it using your fingers. Add a rubber band at the bottom of it. Make 2 or 3 more braids vertically along the lines of the rest of the scalp as such. Next, we'll start off by taking a section of the hair from the middle, add a rubber band to it, and now take 2 sections of the hair, one on the left and the right. Pull the left side section through the middle section you've created and tie it up more towards the right side. Repeat the step, however, do it on the left side. Taking the left side, make a braid out of it, make a braid out of the middle section and the right side section as well. Next, we'll start off by taking a section of the hair from the middle, add a rubber band to it and roll the hair in on itself. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now once more repeat this 2 more times. Let the top portion of it down and then at the bottom make 2 braids out of it by joining 2 of the sections together as such. Do this on either side. Next, leave out 2 sections of the hair on either side. Tie a ponytail at the back and roll this ponytail in on itself. Now, take a section of the hair from the left side, begin to braid it. Include more and more sections of the hair from the ponytail into these side sections you have left out. Make a central braid, roll it upwards and pin it up in place. Join the 2 braids together. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, divide this ponytail into 2 sections, taking the top section of it, add a rubber band to the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself through this middle section, pull the second section of the hair through the first, and now lift it up in order to make a bow. Make a braid at the back and then make another one, and make a third one right beside it. Tie a ponytail out of the hair as such, taking the top section of the ponytail, make a braid out of it as such, make it a normal braid, add a rubber band to it once you're done and leave it aside. Add a rubber band in the middle section of the rest of the hair, roll it in on itself, pull the braid through it and lift this up. Add another rubber band to the middle of the section and wrap this into a bun. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, divide this ponytail into 3 parts, leave out a section of the hair in the middle and then begin to braid it as such. Reverse it and then make it crisscross in the middle and then interchange it. Now once you reach the bottom, add a rubber band to it and this will be the final look of the hairdo. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, add a rubber band in the middle of it, roll the ponytail in on itself through this middle section that you've created, and now lift it up. Take the rest of the hair, divide it into 2 portions and wrap it around, add a rubber band to the bottom of it, once again roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the top, take the excess amounts of it, and pin it up in place. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, divide this ponytail into 2 portions, add a rubber band to the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself, leave it aside at the top. At the bottom, make a braid out of it and now leave it down. Join the 2 together and now lift it up in order to make a bun out of it and pin it up in its place. Next, take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back, lift it up and roll the hair in on itself. Divide the hair into 2 parts and then starting with the left side, twist it one on top of the other as such. Now, lift this up and then pin it up towards the right side and vice versa. Thank you for watching.